2025 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This truck delivers style and convenience as well as performance. Find what you are looking for and more with these extra features: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, navigation, four-wheel drive, heated side view mirrors, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. This is a top-rated dealer. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.